On appealing PPT. Animation of welding process. Welding process consists of arc heating, formation of molten metal, solidification of metal, then withdrawal of welding rod. You want to learn how this animation can be done? Then this video is for you. Rectangle shape. Change its color. No outline. Duplicate it. Again go to the shapes. Select can. No outline. Select gray color. Go to rotate. More rotate option. Enter 30 degree. Align it properly. Go to the shape. Select trapezium. No outline. Select red color. Right click. Format shape. Pattern fill. Select this one. Go to shape effects. Glow. Rotate. More options. Again select 30 degree. Go to animation, add animation, select wipe, direction from top, go to animation pane, repeat until next click. You will find animation of arcing. Shapes, select trapezium, flip it, no outline, select red color, format, pattern fill, select the dashed horizontal, add animation, select box, effect option, box, duplicate it, format, fill the color, add animation, again a box, place this at the center, align it, place over that and adjust the shape. Bring it forward. Select fade exit animation. Add animation. Go to the more motions and select the up animation. Adjust length. Consists of arc heating, formation of molten metal, solidification of metal, then withdrawal of welding rod.